Hey tech lovers, get ready! Imagine having a cinema, gaming console, and workspace, all in one sleek pair of glasses. Meet the VITURE Pro XR AR glasses, the future of immersive tech. But are they perfect? Let's dive in and find out. Let's start with its enhanced productivity and gaming experience. It has an amazing experience by using it for Windows productivity tasks, Xbox Game Pass, and streaming shows via Samsung DeX. Superior display quality, the VITURE Pro XR specs take the whole AR glasses category to a new level with impressive and adjustable display tech and a ton of software smarts. The VITURE Pro XR has many great improvements over the VITURE One, especially in the important areas such as picture quality and performance. But when it comes to its comfort during extended use, some users feel uncomfortable, particularly when watching movies. They can feel some itching. Others once observed that the glasses become warm during use, especially near the cable connection point, though it didn't significantly impact their experience. Overall, the VITURE Pro XR AR glasses offer a high-quality, immersive display for gaming, streaming, and productivity in a sleek, portable design. With adjustable visuals and improved performance, they enhance on-the-go entertainment. However, comfort issues during long use, heat buildup, and lens reflections may be drawbacks. A great choice for tech enthusiasts, but comfort considerations apply. If you have or know more about this glasses, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. If not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe.